Most people don't know this, but $10,000 can get you a pretty good SUV in 2024/2025. I'm talking about a fuel-efficient compact SUV or a mid-sizer with superb reliability and almost non-existent repair and maintenance. This is my list of the 7 cheapest yet most reliable used SUVs under $10K in 2024 to 2025. Oh heck, I've even mentioned SUVs under $5K. So buckle up, because this is an informative and equally exciting journey you are about to experience. Number 1. 2010 Honda CR-V. The original MSRP of the 2010 Honda CR-V ranges from $21,545 to $29,745, while the average price paid starts at $7,612 to $9,644. But why should you go for this compact SUV, I hear you ask? Well, first things first, the 2010 CR-V ranks number 1 out of 24 in compact SUVs. It also has a spacious cargo area and a comfortable cabin with several upscale features like the dual-zone auto climate control system on the EXL trim. Additionally, this 5-seat SUV boasts excellent safety ratings for peace of mind on the road. As for performance, a 180 HP engine sits under the hood of this CR-V model and works with FWD and 4WD. Besides, the fuel economy ratings of the Honda CR-V 2010 stand at 21 mpg in the city and 27 to 28 mpg on the highway. Number 2. 2012 Honda Pilot. The 2012 Honda Pilot can easily last over 250,000 miles, and since it sits up to 8, it is without doubt one of the best mid-size SUVs for large families. Its original MSRP varies from $28,620 to $40,970. However, for just $9,413, you can get this sweet baby and use it for trips to the shopping mall. What I particularly like about the Honda Pilot 2012 is the adult-friendly third row and the dependable engine that delivers a respectable 250 horsepower. Furthermore, the engine works with FWD and 4WD for maximum convenience. The only concern about the 2012 Honda Pilot is that interior materials kind of feel cheap. But come on, you are getting this vehicle for a steal, ain't you? Number 3. 2011 Toyota RAV4. At this point, it is safe to say that the Toyota RAV4 and reliability are best of friends. The 2011 model year, for instance, can last over 160k miles with routine maintenance and a few repairs here and there. Another reason to buy this compact SUV is its spacious cargo area that allows you to carry the essentials you plan to use while on a trip to Disneyland. And oh, before I forget, this 5-seater SUV comes in at number 5 out of 22 in 2011 affordable compact SUVs, plus its original MSRP is $22,475 to $28,785, while the average price paid for a used model ranges from $8,070 to $10,871. Another thing, the 2011 RAV4 can be had with a muscular optional V6 engine for improved acceleration. Overall, its engines generate between 179 and 269 horsepower. The SUV also has what I may describe as decent fuel economy ratings. They stand at 19 to 22 mpg in the city and 26 to 28 mpg on the highway. Number 4. 2010 Mazda CX-7. Did you know that for less than $5K you can get a well-maintained 2010 CX-7 model? Yes, the average price paid for this SUV with 5 seats varies from $4,634 to $7,269. This is cool stuff, given that the original MSRP starts at $21,700 and stretches to $33,035. Even better, the CX-7 2010 is ranked number 4 out of 24 in 2010 affordable compact SUVs. It also delivers athletic handling, and its turbo engine produces 161 to 244 horsepower. Additionally, the 2010 Mazda CX-7 nets 17 to 20 mpg in the city and 23 to 28 mpg on the highway. The only two things that might make you pass this SUV are the small cargo volume and the below average safety score for its class. Number 5. 2011 Kia Sportage. You know you are getting value for your money when you buy an SUV ranked number 2 out of 22 in 2011 affordable compact SUVs. I'm talking about the 2011 Kia Sportage, a model that features a completely redesigned interior and exterior. It also has a revised powertrain with improved fuel economy. To be precise, this 5-seat SUV registers 21 to 22 mpg in the city and 25 to 31 mpg on the highway. Moreover, the engine delivers between 176 and 256 horsepower. As for the original MSRP, the 2011 Kia Sportage cost between $18,295 and $27,295. But if you are to buy a pre-owned model, you'll pay around $5,820 to $7,446. Also, I must mention that this Sportage boasts double IHS top safety pick. Number 6. 2013 Nissan Murano. The 2013 Nissan Murano can easily last 13 years and reach between 180,000 and 200,000 miles with proper care and maintenance. In fact, JD Power gives it an exceptional reliability rating of 5 out of 5. But that's not all, as this SUV ranks number 2 out of 22 in 2013 affordable mid-size SUVs. Now that you are invested, let's look at the price. The original MSRP is $28,440 to $44,540, while the average price paid is $7,375 to $9,142. Moreover, the 2013 Murano boasts a high-performance engine that kicks out to 60 to 265 horsepower. As for fuel economy, this mid-size SUV nets 17 to 18 mpg in the city and 22 to 24 mpg on the highway. If you're looking for a practical mid-sizer with zippy acceleration, a classy interior, and comfortable ride and handling, the 2013 Nissan Murano should be a frontier for you. A quick one, if you're finding value so far, be sure to show that subscribe button some love. That way, you'll always be the first to know when videos like this are out. Number 7. 2013 Ford Flex. The 2013 Ford Flex is number 3 out of 22 in affordable mid-size SUVs. Its original MSRP ranges from $30,900 to $43,820. However, for around $8,797 to $10,496, you can make it yours. With a seating capacity of up to 7, the Ford Flex 2013 is ideal for large families looking to explore places together. In addition, I'm thrilled with this SUV's capable engines, especially the available turbocharged V6. The SUV's engine options churn out 287 to 365 horsepower and work with FWD and AWD. The adult-friendly third-row seat is another reason to buy the 2013 Ford Flex. As for fuel economy, this mid-size SUV registers 16 to 17 mpg in the city and 23 to 24 mpg on the highway. The only drawbacks of the 2013 Flex are the limited cargo space and the not so user-friendly My 4Touch infotainment system. That's my list of the 7 cheapest yet most reliable used SUVs under $10,000 in 2024/2025. Now check out the video on the top left to learn more about the 8 cheapest yet most reliable SUVs for $15,000 to $20,000 in 2024 to 2025.